A 2002 Honda Civic Si here, and yeah, I'm going to be doing a crankshaft position sensor on this. So this is the part right here. This box right here. Alright, so we're installing that guy in it. Alright, so first thing first, you need to go ahead and jack up the car. And make sure you use the jack stand, which I use right there. And we need to locate it. And the sensor is actually quite easy to get to. Once you jack it up, you want to turn the wheel all the way to the right. You look to the left of the crankshaft at the 9 o'clock position. It's gonna be sitting right there. It's just one 10mm bolt, and you want to use a flathead screwdriver after you done undid the bolt and pull it up. Alright, so just pull the little screw out, and then we want to wiggle it. And so basically you want to kind of take a screwdriver, kind of break it loose, and then pry outward on it. And I left the sensor in there too to make it easy to grab. Yeah, just like that. And then just slide that guy out, just like that. See? Ta-da! Now we want to compare the old one with the new one here, and they both look the same. Now I gotta lube up that little ring right here and then put it back in there, and that should be it. Start her up, get her done. Alright, so I lubed up my little ring, and then we're gonna slide her back in there. Bam, see that? Make sure you hear that little, supposed to hear a little pop, meaning that the O-ring done settled into the hole. Once we do that, we should be good. Ta-da! And that's it.